guys, come with me as a data science intern at the Medical Research Council in the Gambia, part of the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. I woke up like an hour ago, took a bath, did some stuff, sprayed, and so I'm just gonna go at it on campus.
Just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate forever. pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless. I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right and the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
So like I reached an hour ago, took a bath, prayed, and eat and have some little rest. And it's kinda late right now. I just finished wrapping up the stuff I'm gonna do tomorrow, and I'm just gonna take a sleep now. So it was really a crazy day, and this is what it takes to build greatness. It really ain't easy, but then the most amazing part of this journey, even though I get so tired, is having the opportunity to do what I want. It's something that I'm really grateful for. Something that I don't take for granted, and I'm so thankful to my younger self for actually pursuing the stuff I wanted to do at a very early age. So this is it, and I'm gonna go sleep right now. I'm so tired. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give me a thumbs up, and recommend me more stuffs and video content that you wanna see in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video.